traditional Uzbek family is rich in customs, traditions, characteristic only for it, transmitted from century to century, from generation to generation. Due to the high organization of the internal family structure, the prevailing unwritten norms, the family is distinguished by a tendency to preservation and prosperity. This creates favorable conditions for raising children, introducing them to spiritual universal values, traditions, raising their educational level. It is in such families that from early childhood, industriousness, respect for elders, and the desire to acquire knowledge are laid. Weekends in an Uzbek family are revered as a holiday. Usually, on weekends, relatives visit each other, arrange feasts, and tea-drinking ceremonies. Children are especially pleased with such events. Today, we decided to show you one day off in an Uzbek family, and at the same time share a family recipe of cooking a favorite dish for everyone, Shish Kebab or shashlik in our language. We have prepared two types of Shish Kebab, minced beef and chicken. Wash chicken fillet and cut into medium slices. Start to prepare the marinade. To do this, take 3 or 4 onions and cut into half rings. Then add the onions to the chicken bowl and mix well. Next, add salt, coriander, ground black pepper, and bouquet of spices for chicken and mix well. Top with mayonnaise, mix well and leave to marinate for 2 hours. While the chicken is marinating, start to prepare the minced beef. 2 kg of minced beef should be placed in a container. Then you need to add finely chopped onions, some breadcrumbs, and mix well. Then add salt and spices specifically for kebab. Put coal on the brazier and kindle the fire. When the coals burn out, pour water over the flame so that there is no open fire. Then string minced beef on skewers and cook for about 10-15 minutes, turning the skewer. Remove the skewer from the grill, serve the shish kebab to the table. On skewers, string pieces of chicken legs and fill it tightly to each other. Send skewers with chicken to the grill. the chicken kebab for about 20 minutes, turning the skewer every 5 minutes. Shish kebab turned out to be very tasty and fragrant. Everyone was satisfied, especially the children. A day off is the best day of the week, a great opportunity to spend time with family. If you like the video, don't forget to like it and tap on the subscribe button to be notified about new videos. Tell us your own recipe for cooking kebab in the comment below. Wish you all the best. See you in the next videos.